You know what?
Hmm.
I'm pregnant.
What the fuck? Oh my god, another one?
Yes.
Don't tell me it's twins. Don't
Bro,
tell me it's twins.
it's twins again, bro.
Yeah. Zeri, come Kishikuri.
Yes, I found it yesterday.
You better. No more time anyway.
Baby, bro.
You lying, bro. I swear you lying.
How can I lie that stuff?
Are you? Damn.
I'm pregnant. You wanna be uncle?
Oh my god. Jenny, you said twins?
Yes.
Damn. Now, what? Can you tell me your gender?
Sindagenda to do a gender, bro. But I'm scared.
Yeah, I'm happy for you, man. Damn.
Thank
Twins?
you. Yeah.
I'm so happy for you.
Thank you.
Yeah, now you're making me want twins now. What the hell?
Yeah, you two, you're gonna have twins next time.
That's it. Is it from your husband's family?
Everywhere. We do have twins.
We have twins in our family, right?
Yeah. Muraho neza ndabasuje mwese aho muherereye nizere ko mumeze neza nanjye meze neza uyu munsi ni ubwa mbere ngiye gukora ibi bintu bwanje bwa mbere ngiye gukora prank ariko mfite ubwoba so ngiye guhamagara sister wanjye muto ngiye kumbesha ngo I'm pregnant ndebe nyine reaction yiwe aza kubwira oh my god mfite ubwoba Jesus mana mfasha ndebe icyo aza kuvuga Sa.
Hi.
Meze neza?
Yeah.
Kuri uyu kameze gute?
Good?
You good?
Yeah.
Bro, I want to tell you something.
Go ahead.
Ariko is nyine uri friend wanje ushaka nyine kubwira ntukagira uwo ubwira sa.
Yeah.
Bro, I'm pregnant.
Really?
Yeah.
That's good.
Huh?
That's good.
So, bro, I was like, sinzi makuru ariko I don't know, bro.
Nothing's wrong with that. What you sounds like you shocked.
I wasn't expecting right now to be pregnant.
It's okay, bro.
Hey, are you sure?
Yeah. Nothing wrong with that. How did you try? I'm a taxi to you.
What? Sa ugegutekereza ku mataxi?
Bro, like, there's nothing wrong with that. Like, is Jolie? Like, what should I tell you? Congratulations.
Oh, thank you.
Okay. You want me to tell you, why would you do that? What? No. That's another blessing. What?
Bro, I was scared to tell you guys, maybe it's gonna be something deal, like, if that would be.
Something what? Something.
Nowadays, everybody keeps saying, why you're gonna have a lot of kids.
Bro, it's about you.
Mfite abana bane and then ngongeye kubyara kandi, bro, you see.
Even 20.
Are you sure about that?
I am. What? Anyway.
Okay, thank you. Nifite ubwoba uko uri bubyakire mwana niyo mpamvu navuze ngo reka jya
Bro, are you pranking me? You better stop this because there's no way you can go on Grace's phone and tell me this story. That reason you're pranking. Bro, stop.
Baby bafite telefone yanjye bro kandi nanze kubivuga like in a lot of people bari bari
No,
mu bro.
I can't. Stop. No, this is not Jolie.
Bro, it was a prank. Ngoma taxi. What? Bro? I got you. Ngoma taxi, sir. Oh Jesus. What? Ngoma taxi. Turi live kuri YouTube.
I don't care.
And then how welcome. Yeah, we're gonna Sakina right now.
You're crazy.
Ngoma taxi. What? I combine kukunda. Anytime it can happen. You by my
I
side.
don't care, to be honest. I don't care.
Really?
Really, mama.
Narenze ngo uramubwira ngo you have 4 kids ngo and then ngo what, like I wasn't expecting you to kumbwira ngo congratulations before like
Congratulations.
oh my god, thank you. Okay, the company is pomugir bro.
Okay, it's fine.
Okay, thank you guys. Ntago niteze bino bintu ngo arambwira ngo what buri gihe uzava ngo ngufite ngo bana ngo bane ngufite ngo what kampamagare umundi murumuna wanje numve icyaza kumbwira nawe twumve. Kamaze mpamagare muroro nkwere ge muroro numve bose ndabahamagara. Again.
Yes. Wait.
Wait.
Nimeza, tell Grace to come. The light will be here in like 7 minutes.
Okay, so we're here.
I'm home.
Can you go in the room a little bit?
What?
Can you go in the room a little bit? I want to tell you something.
Nobody can hear me. I'm alone.
Where are you?
I'm in the bathroom.
Tá muito kumva. Eh?
Did I do something?
No. I'm ngiye kukugura something secret. I don't want to hear anybody.
Yeah, nobody can hear me. See, what about bathroom?
Ba mama ntaberaho.
It's in the living room.
Do you know what?
What?
I'm pregnant. Yeah. You wanna see me? Again.
Yes?
I'm pregnant, girl.
Oh my god!
What?
Oh my god, you're gonna have a little baby! Yeah!
Are you excited?
Yes, I'm happy.
Oh my god, I wanna cry.
Me too.
But I'm scared.
Why?
To go like anybody in the family, just say, let me just tell you.
Take your time. You don't have to tell them right now. Tell them when you feel like you're ready to tell them.
Thank you.
Oh my god, Joe, I'm so happy for you, man.
Really?
Yeah.
Tago, you always say, muzamubwira ngo urabona ngo ufite ngo abana benshi narinze ngo murabyakira nabi.
No. So that's what we said just as wrong.
Sure.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Of course.
Go, bye.
Can I pronounce it, please?
It was a prank! I'm on YouTube live! La 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 la. Again. I don't need It was a prank, mama. Now just don't tell anybody else, okay? It was a prank. Okay?
Okay.
It was a prank, mama. I'm sorry, okay?
It's okay.
Bye. arishimye aracyajya kumubwira ngo prank ararira. Ngiye guhamagara uwundi. You know what? I'm pregnant.
What the fuck? Oh my god, another one?
Yes.
Don't tell me it's twins.
Bro.
Don't tell me it's twins.
It's twins again, bro.
Yeah. Zeri, come Gishikuri.
Yes, I found it yesterday.
You better. No more Changaniwari.
Babiri, bro.
You lying, bro. I swear you lying.
How can I lie that stuff?
Are you? Damn.
I'm pregnant. You want to be uncle?
Oh my God. Jimmy, you said twins?
Yes.
Damn. Now, what? Can you tell me your gender?
Sindagenda to do a gender, bro. But I'm scared.
Yeah, I'm happy for you. Man, damn.
Thank
Twins?
you. Yeah.
I'm so happy for you.
Thank you.
Yeah, now you're making me want twins now. What the hell?
Yeah, you two, you're gonna have twins next time.
That's it. Is it from your husband's family?
Everywhere, we do have twins.
We have twins in our family, right?
Yeah.
And I want some too. Damn.
God bless you with the twins, bro. I pray for
I
you.
swear, I want some, I swear.
But see, no, I was scared, bro. Like, again, I was like, you guys, no, I'm Zanyicha.
Man, nah, man, I'm happy. What? You got twins again? I hope they're boys this time. I'm team boy. Just know I'm team boy already.
Okay.
Yeah.
So checking today.
Yo, team boy, man. Damn. I'm excited. This time I give you permission. You can have a kid.
Eh?
Your baby's that big. You know, your baby's that big.
Right now it's okay.
Yeah, right now it's good.
Thank you.
Right now it's good. Yeah.
I wasn't expecting, come together like that. I was like, hey, you guys, hey, you again, bro, again, whatever.
No.
I wasn't expecting anybody gonna tell me like, congrats.
Right now it's good. Your babies, they're grown, you know. They're ready for school, right?
They go to school every day.
Exactly. That's what I be saying.
Oh
Your
my
baby's
God.
gotta be ready for school, yeah. You see, less stress on you. How you
Yeah.
feeling right now?
I'm kind of scared.
Don't be scared, bro. You good.
Really?
I swear you good.
Thank you. Bro, it was a prank, I'm on.
Alright, I'm excited to be an uncle.
Passes. I was pranking you, bro.
Huh?
It was a prank.
Ah! You're going to hell. You're going to hell. Oh my God. You're going to hell. Those are things you never talk about shit like this.
Bro, now I'm Sarah though. Now I'm going to Tab go get ukunena gupange now, bro. I was like everybody. Yes,
Man, that shit's not cool.
huh?
Oh my God. I hope you have a set of twins again.
I hope so. I don't know.
My phone. I don't even want to talk to
Bro, it was a prank. I'm sorry. I know you're happy, but it was a prank.
He was happy?
Come over. So, thank you guys. Now, again, Sarah, now when she was like, yo, oh my gosh, you sure? Are you? I was like, oh my goodness. I'm going to say around you.
You got me so good, I swear.
I got you, bro. Asiga esp. Don't tell esp. Yo, so, asambone.
Nadi, what do you mean?
Salam, Karis.
Wait!
We miss you too, bro. Ukuntu bigenze muri kuri nari mfite ubwoba kuvuga ngo mbabeshe we mukuru wangu amataxi imagine go man niwe many times uzumbira ngo gujo ngo you have a lot of kids wiki ariko nyine numva ko bavugira just fa kuvuga nukuri sinabiteganyaga ko nyine babumbwira like ubine ko bishimye Yesu we nari mfite ubwoba ariko hasigaye umwe nzagukoma ikindi tuzabimenya nukuri sinari niteze ko bari bumbwire kuri ego mane go prank zitera ubwoba nariko mbiri bizuye do kubera kubesha uzi kubesha ari bibi nukuri tugenda sinyo bishobora kabisa guhora mbesha sinyo prank mbonye igoye ariko mu byukuri thank you so much kubakurikiranye video mwabibonye bigiye gutanga ibungiye kuzaza mbahamagara kabisa mbabesheje nzahamagara umuhungu wanje nawe mubesha ibindi nawe ntazabimenya so thank you guys so much. Turabakunda cyane bakunzi ba Jolie TV show, natwe turabakunda. Imana ibagire neza, mutangire weekend neza, nako mutangire cyumweru neza. Imana ibane namwe, murakoze. Ciao ciao, thank you.